In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the aspect ratio of a video here within Premiere Pro. Before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you want to change the aspect ratio of your video in Premiere Pro, this is exactly what you're going to want to do. Up at the top, once you have your video in your sequence, go ahead and navigate up to the sequence section, and from here navigate into the sequence settings. Under the frame size section right here is where you're going to be able to change the dimensions to match the format that you want. So for example, this one is only 640 by 360. Say I want it 1920 by 1080, I would just go ahead and input that in just like so. Keep in mind, after doing this, you are still going to need to adjust the scale and position of your clips so that your subject is still framed correctly. That being said, if you want to auto reframe really quickly, just highlight your clip within the time frame and once again go up to sequence, and this time go into auto reframe sequence all the way down towards the bottom. Select it just like so and expand this target aspect ratio section right here and select the format that you'd like. For example, I could do horizontal 16 by 19. Which is going to be the standard like YouTube video. Click on it and then hit create and it'll resize your sequence for you. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.